Now we're gonna be opening this one, which is wheat tree. I don't know what kind of thing is this. So let's open it. I think it's a wheat tree, but I don't care what it is. I just think it's a wheat tree. It's a tree with wheat. This box. Hey, cameraman, there's a box that I just built.
What Christmas is coming? You like Christmas?
Yes. The most favorite thing I love from Christmas is dancing on top of the stage at school. Performing, I say. Now we gotta put one on top of this, and then put a wheat just right here. And then put a red flower right here. Wait. Now we need another piece of wood. Put it here. And then let this piece of wheat go here. And then another red flower right here. And then another kind of this thing right here. Nope, 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 nope. Just another one on top of this wheat. And then we put this right here. And mail. Do we have this mail here?
Yeah, you put the mail in the mailbox.
Okay. It's this mailbox, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's send some let's send some love mail over mailbox. Oh my gosh, I got a mail. Let's put it here.
You got mail. You're like receiving. Oh, you can tell your friends about your address, and they can send you a postcard or a letter if they want.
Wait, there's two places you can put in.
Yeah.
The front and the back. Oh, I got mail. Let's open it. And the sneaky another piece goes in. So, another flower I can put in here, whatever I want. Oh, and that flower goes here. Okay, now moving on to my next video. Just kidding, I'm going to make a close-up. Mailbox. I love playing with this mailbox. It's so cool. I can just do this like for 2 days. Like forever. It's like it fits. It fits. Okay, see you in my next video, guys.